Hello everyone, welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thank you for joining us. Hey, in our little series of short videos about firearms and firearm components, I get this question a lot, especially from people moving into the state or visiting us from out of state. So let's talk for a few minutes today about, are there magazine restrictions in Washington state? Okay, before we get rolling, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, click the like button down below. If you want to stay up to date on issues related to your Second Amendment rights, click the subscribe button down below. Click the little bell logo down below if you want to be apprised when we post new videos. And most importantly, keep the comments and discussions coming. That's how we're going to get our videos out to more lawful and responsible gun owners like yourself. Okay, so the issue today is, are there magazine restrictions, high capacity magazine restrictions in Washington state? Now, we know there are several states, 9 to be exact, that do have high capacity magazine restrictions. When we take a look at the applicable RCW, the one that seems to outlaw all of the weapons that we have outlawed in the state, that is RCW 9.41.190. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the details of that statute, but we know under Section 1A, we cannot own, possess, buy, sell, trade any machine gun, short barrel rifle, short barreled shotgun, bump fire stock. We also know in Section 1B we cannot work on any of those or repair any of those. We know also similarly with Section 1C that we cannot possess parts or components that are related to machine guns, bump fire stock, short barrel shotguns, short barrel rifles, or anything that would convert an otherwise lawful weapon into a prohibited weapon. And finally, we know in Section 1D that we can actually possess an untraceable ghost gun, an untraceable firearm, so long as we manufacture it and we keep it within our own possession. We cannot manufacture them with the intent to sell them. And we also know that in Section 2, we can possess a SBR, a short barrel rifle, so long as we have jumped through all the appropriate ATF channels and filled out our ATF Form 1 or Form 4 and paid our $200 tax stamp. We'll put videos for all the stuff that we've done on that down below. But if we look at RCW 9.41.190 in its entirety, and we take a look at RCW 9.41, the entire section in its entirety, we will find that there are, in fact, no magazine restrictions currently in Washington state. Now, there have been efforts by our Attorney General and our Governor to restrict magazines. Just last year, we had a Senate bill that originally was going to limit magazine restrictions to 10 rounds. Senator Brad Clippert was able to get an amendment on it. We'll post a little link for a video interview we did with him about that, where he did get it up to 17 rounds. That bill died in committee, but I have no doubt that Attorney General Ferguson will be renewing his efforts to limit magazines in this state. So the bottom line is do we have magazine or ammunition restrictions in Washington state under the current state of law? The answer is no, we don't. You can possess a magazine with any capacity that you wish. Listen, you may have more questions about magazine restrictions or anything related to your Second Amendment rights, and if you do, don't ever hesitate to contact us at WashingtonGunLaw.com, or of course you can call us directly, 425-765-0487. Listen, part of being the lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here at Washington Gun Law, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe.